Hello students. Previous lecture we learned three types of the functions of money: primary function and secondary function. After completed the two types of functions of money, now today's we are going to start the contingent functions of money. There are the four types of contingent functions of money. I explain the contingent functions of money. According to Professor Kinley, in modern period, the money plays an important role almost all the economic transaction. Without money, do not complete it and do not start the process of the economic transaction. So, in today's time, the most important and requirements each and every side helps us to money for the buying, selling of commodities, then the different type of uses of the money. So, the money playing the important role in the each and every term of economic transaction or economic activities. So now I explain you the first contingent function is the measurement of national income. The national income is expressed in the money terms. The distribution of national income among the four factors of production is in term of money, monetary rewards, that is the rent, wages, interest or profit. The money is important playing the role in the national income, the calculation of national income, because the national income always time expressed in the term of money. When the time of start the procedure, produce the goods or services, that time use the each and every factor of production. But when the time of uses the factor of production, that time give the reward of each and every factor of production. So the reward is expressed in the term of money, like the rent, wages, interest, profit, and etc. So the national income is expressed in the term of money. The distribution of national income among the four factors of production is the term of monetary rewards. The land use they give to reward of rent. Then the labor efforts used to give to reward of wages. Then the capital uses the reward give to the interest, and the entrepreneur efforts the profit or loss. So all the distributions of the factor of production is always time expressed in the term of money. The second function is the basis of credit. The commercial bank create the credit money on the basis of the primary deposit. Without primary deposit, do not create the credit base of the commercial bank, because the primary deposit is important and the compulsory of the deposit of primary. So the commercial bank create the credit money. It depends upon the primary deposit account. So money provide a liquid base for the creation of credit money. So here also money provide a liquid base for the creation of the credit money. Number third is the imparts the liquidity to wealth. The money is called the most liquid assets. The money can be easily converted into any assets, and any asset can be converted into money. Yes, all of you know that. You can your money converted in the capital assets, or your capital assets converted to the money, because the helps always time helps into the express always time in the money. So the money is the important factor. They use each and every liquid assets or wealth. So here given the example of a person can purchase the gold, and if he want he can sell it and purchase the government bonds and securities, etc. Because it depends upon the person's behavior, consumer's behavior or personalities. If the person want the money, so that time he sell the gold or take the money. So also they if they want if can they purchase the gold, that time if you want they can sell it and purchase government bonds and securities. It means they easily converted the money of liquid assets to wealth, because it helps us to the money is the important factor and the playing the important role in the each and every imparts of liquidity to wealth, so easily converted to the assets to the money or money to the assets. So money playing the important role in the imparts of the liquidity to wealth. Number 4, estimation of macroeconomic variables. The macroeconomic variables like gross national product, initially known as the GNP, total saving, total investment, etc., can be easily estimated in the monetary terms. It also facilitates government tax collection, preparation of budget, etc. It means all of you know that the estimation of macroeconomics is variable is used always time expressed in the term of money, because the macro concept is the aggregative concept. Here include or mention only the total and aggregative units. So the macroeconomics variable like the gross national product, total saving, total investment, it's a part of the macroeconomics variable. So always time the GNP, GDP, total saving, total investment expressed in the term of money. It also facilitate the government tax collection, because of government tax collection also they express in the term of money, and the preparation of budget they also express in the term of money. So the money playing important role in the contingent function, measurement of national income, base of credit, then imparts of liquid to wealth, and the estimation of the macroeconomic variables. So students, here completed the all functions of money. All functions are important of money. I hope so you better understood the all functions of money. Now I explain you the last concept in the lesson of concept of black money. Here mention the meaning of black money. I explain here the concept of black money. The black money is any money which is received in the cash but not accounted for and on which tax is not paid to the government. The black money known as the tax evaded money. It can be earned through the both legal or illegal activities. The black money is earned in both of activities like the legal activity or illegal activity. Legal or illegal activity. The black money encourages the illegal activities such as the corruption, then briberies, then black marketing, hoardings, etc. All the parts is include the unit of the black market or black money, because corruption illegal part of the black market, black money, then bribery also illegal part, black marketing or hoardings also black money part. This creates the obstacles in economic development. Economic, political and social instability are created in the economic due to the black money. Yes, all of you know that the black money create most of the obstacles in the economic growth and development. Then also here the reduces the stability of the economical, political and social levels. So the black money is the very create the difficulties or the obstacles in the level of development of economy. To control the black money is demonetization is one of the best way to control the black money, which many countries have adopted. Yes students, the demonetization is the best way. Choose the government the control the black market or black money. So many countries adopted the demonetization tools, because the one the important way of the control the black money. So here comprehend the concept of black money. If you have any doubts about the lesson, so clearly ask me. In this lesson, I explain you the initial contents, the introduction money, the meaning of money, barter system, then difficulties of the barter system, definition of money, evaluation of money, types of money, then the qualities of good money, functions of money, and the concept of black money. So here I share you screen the page number 13 exercise. The same as the question said about the lesson number 1, the complete the correlation, then give the economic term, choose the correct option, identify and explain the concept from the given illustration. Question number 5, agree or disagree. Or question number 6, they answer the following questions on the basis of the following information. So students, solve the exercise lesson number 2. I hope so you better understood the lesson number 2. Thank you.